going to talk about rate of change. Another fact that describes a parabola is the average rate of change between 2 points. Remember, another word for rate of change is, you said slope, you were right. And one more time, what the slope formula is. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. And I am going to put a line in between these to show that it's dividing. Okay. I don't know why it won't let me do that, but it won't. Okay. So what is the average rate of change over the interval -4x, -3? We're literally looking at these points. So I'm looking up -4, and at -4, the point is 0. The y value is 0. So it's -4, 0. And at -3. And the point at -3 is -3. The y value is 5. And then we're just doing 5 minus 0 divided by -3 plus a negative, or minus a negative, so it's plus 4. And that equals 5. That's it. That's all we're doing there. So we'll just do another one so I can show you what's happening. I'll probably just do one more. And then I'll do one where we don't have a graph. Okay, so if we look up -3, the y value at -3 is 5 still. But the y value at -2 is 0. And then we're just doing slope. So we're going 0 minus 5 divided by -2 minus a -3. Two negatives make that a positive. Okay. And the whole thing equals -5. That's it. Okay, we're going to move down to where it's not and where you have to plug it in. Okay, so I'm just going to look at number 3 right here, and then I'm going to let you guys do this. Number 3, when we plug in a -5, so I first have to do it with x squared. So I have to say, okay, -5 squared, oops, that's not what I want, squared, does not like me. Okay, -5 squared gives us 25. And then we have to do -1 squared gives me 1. Okay, so now I have these points. I have -5 and 25. I have -1 and 1. So I'm going 1 minus 25 divided by 1, -1, plus 5. That gives us -8. That's the whole thing. That's what we're doing. You're plugging in these x values into this equation that it tells you at the top, coming up with your 2 points, and then just using the slope formula.